guys, welcome back to the Joshua Kwanya YouTube channel. Hope you're keeping safe, and of course guys, if you're going to subscribe, please do and leave a comment. Of course, so click that bell button just in case we upload another video. YouTube will give you a notification that we have another video here. Today's video is all about Bungoma town. Bungoma town is one of the major towns in the former Western Kenya. So guys, let's go. Hope you enjoy and Bungoma town was established as a trading center during the 20th century, and Bungoma town is the headquarters of Bungoma County. This town is around 412 kilometers from Kenya's capital, Nairobi.
My dear, I love you. My dear, I love you. My dear, I love you. My dear, I love you.
Bungoma County has 9 constituencies. And they are Kabuchai, Kandui, Tongaren, Sirisia, Kimilili, Bumula. You remember Bifuli Wakoli is a former member of Bumula constituency, but it is Bumula, not Bumala. Bumula is in Bungoma and Bumala is in Busia. Hope that helps. Webuye West, Webuye East, and Mount Elgon.
My dear, I love you. My dear, I love you. My dear.
While in Bungoma County, you might be wondering if there are places that you can visit just to kutembea na kujivinjari. Yeah, I think you can visit Mount Elgon, and of course for information, Mount Elgon is Kenya's second highest mountain after Mount Kenya, and it's around 4,321 meters above sea level. And of course there's a national park there, the Mount Elgon National Park. There's also Nabuyole Falls, which is very legendary in Bungoma County. There's Kitum Cave again in Mount Elgon constituency, and then there's Sangalo Hills. So there's so many places. These are just a few of them that I've mentioned. There's so many places that you can go ukiwa Bungoma County. And also Bungoma town is a small, yes, but you can also walk around and see the development that has come. That's development that has happened in Bungoma County.
Hey! Papa wa mwata wakoli sendi tokowata. Hey, where are you?
And there you have it, guys. That's the little information I had about Bungoma town and of course Bungoma County at large. If you feel that there's more information I've left about this lovely county, please leave a comment below in the comment section, and of course please subscribe and click that bell button so that whenever we upload another video, YouTube will definitely notify you. So thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.